YouTubers, welcome to another servicing video from Source 6233, and this time it's one of my power tools. It's not an expensive power tool. I think I bought it from a local hardware shop, but it does me, and I've had this for about 6 years. And then just a couple of weeks ago I was using it, and hey, look at that, I must have dropped it and this split, so the casing's gone. On eBay I managed to find a retailer who was selling the body shells, the left and the right side, so I've acquired these for less than the price of a new drill, even a new inexpensive one like this. So all I'm going to do today is simply take these, put them on here. Let's see how that goes. The casing is held on with a number of screws with Phillips heads, 2 here, 2 on the handle, 2 at the back of the frame, 2 at the front of the frame. So let's see what happens when I try to remove these. One, 2, 3 and 4. And at this point I'll just tip these out and collect them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the top section, before I take the two bits apart, I need to be aware that there is a mechanism here, and it will probably fit into part of the casing, and there might be also something holding in the chuck head, so I need to be kind of careful when I'm dismantling this and not just pull it apart and things fall away. So I'm just going to gently prise the top half away from the rest. So far I don't see anything untoward, and like so, and there we go. There's a button mechanism, the safety switch, and this bit here. So what I'm now going to see is, does this mechanism lift out? Take the switch away, and I notice that there's a groove which fits to, I don't know if you can see that on camera, yeah, this little bit here which activates the reverser switch. I'm looking for other screws to hold things in. There's a little clip, let me see if I can get it on camera here. There's a little clip in there, so try and make sure you get that all right. The chuck head just seems to come out, taking with it the switch mechanism, and this little clip I'd mentioned doesn't seem to be affected. Taking this, trying to remember the layout, the battery connector, and this bit here, which I think might be a regulator, looks like a regulator, and that just comes out in one nice neat assembly. This bit here comes from the back, is actually for holding on the double-headed drill which comes with the machine. So this I think is a left hand cabinet. Here's a new left hand cabinet, slide one away, and all I'm going to do now is put this into there. Battery connector, no problem. The regulator fits in nicely, and the switch into its housing, yeah, and just keep the wires out the way. Chuck assembly. The one thing I didn't do is note the orientation of this bit here. So I'm going to look back at the replay to see what that looked like before I lifted it out. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Well, I double checked with the video and I realised that the orientation of this part is actually guided by two rectangular mouldings, one on each side, which fit into a rectangular housing, and this part here is facing up, so that fits in easily enough. When I'm fitting the reverser switch in, this lug is pointing to the front, so when I fit it onto the reverser switch, the power switch, this lug will face forward, and the switch itself sits into a square moulding or a housing like so. That goes in there, and it all sits very neatly inside, and the wires are fed round behind the reverser switch. And this should now change polarity of the motor. Looks good. And now the new housing will just simply sit on top. So that's okay, that's okay. This is fitted in here. One little thing, I have the little bit holder which fits in here and is held between the two housing halves. And I hope that this should basically just settle nicely down there. And a quick test, that seems to work. Button seems to work, and the safety catch works. This is in here, battery connectors underneath. So let's put a couple of screws in and give it a little bit of a test. I'm not putting the screws in any particular order. I'm just going to try and distribute the load. So that I can lift it up. And certainly it feels good. So let me just go retrieve the battery from its charger, and we should be able to give it a little test. One way and the other way. Safety lock, and I think I've now got myself a lovely working power drill that's going to see me through hopefully another few years. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you liked that. Bit different from trains. But it's still one of my tools. It's part of my model engineering, so it's something that we have to do is maintain our equipment. So thanks for watching. Hope you like that. Let me know in either clicking a thumbs up, give me a comment, And if you haven't already done so, why don't you subscribe to get more wonderful restoration and servicing videos from SORTS 6233, the Society for the Restoration of Trains. Keep watching YouTube. Bye for now.